Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of the unboxing. So today guys, we're not gonna be unboxing JDM goodies. Instead, we're gonna be unboxing German goodies and one from Australia. So yeah, let's get started. So first up guys is we're gonna be unboxing this very small item. This is actually an item from GR Performance, and if you open it, it's this one. It's actually the GR mirror riser for the GR Yaris. So what this does is that it raises the rear view mirror of the GR Yaris so that you get a better view of what's in front of you. Specially made for those tall people, tall drivers, so that the rear view mirror doesn't block your view in front. So guys, next from GR Performance is this. These are the shifter risers from GR Performance, and what they do is this. They basically raise the assembly of the shifter so that you get a higher shifting position, and the advantage of that is that the driving ergonomics is going to be way better because the shifter is now going to be closer to the steering wheel and easier to reach, also faster to reach. I believe that these do not actually lengthen the throws if you're concerned about that, because effectively you're not increasing the height or the length of the shifter, but you're just raising the assembly. So yeah, this is really nice if you want your shifter to be closer to the steering wheel and look a bit more aggressive in the interior. So next guys is we have, well, it's not boxed already. So guys, next we have is this Foresight quick shifter. This is made in Germany. It's actually not in a box anymore, so let's just open it.
A few moments later.
I believe this one you install it inside the engine bay and it's located somewhere behind the air intake. This is gonna make your shifting a lot quicker and feel a lot better too. So if you're in the market for that, definitely check this one out. You don't have to replace the whole linkage inside the interior of the car. You can just get this and it's gonna be hidden inside the engine bay.
So guys, the last part that we're going to be unboxing today is this. It's the Stern Performance Rear Seat Delete Kit for the GR Yaris. Wow!
Here's the Stern Performance Rear Seat Delete Kit for the GR Yaris. So as you can see, it has this very beautiful carbon fiber bar. And this actually attaches to where the rear seat stays. So you have this and you basically clamp it here like that. It comes with this beautiful net. I think it's like the same as the seat belt, super strong. And then it comes with this sexy girl air freshener. This is definitely what you're paying for. Also this and another sexy girl. I mean, you know, one sexy girl is not enough. And then it comes with the hardware complete, and this is basically what it's gonna look like on the GR Yaris. So yeah, this is a really nice kit for the GR Yaris.
So guys, here are the 4 parts that we've unboxed today. We have parts coming from Australia, and then these parts coming from Germany. So we hope you guys enjoyed this episode of the unboxing. If you like what you see, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to my channel for more content in the future. We'll see you guys next time.